Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to download and install Avast security browser in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and open up your web browser. In this case I select Microsoft Edge. Go to google.com and hit enter. And browse for Avast security browser, download, and hit enter. Click on the official site avast.com and click on OK and click on free download. Wait a moment. Open your container folder or your downloads directory, close this window and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. And wait. This option is marked on select this option. Make Avast secure browser my new default browser. I don't like this option for the moment. Click on accept and install. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.